In today's video, I'll show you how to add a logo in Acuity Scheduling step by step. If you want your booking page to look more professional and match your brand identity, adding a logo is one of the easiest upgrades you can make. First, log into your Acuity Scheduling account and go to your dashboard. Once you're inside, open the Client's Scheduling page or Customization section from the left side menu. This is where all branding settings are managed. Now look for the Branding or Logo section. Click on the option to upload a logo, then select the image file from your computer. It's best to use a clear, high-quality logo so it looks good on both desktop and mobile devices. After uploading, you may be able to adjust the size or positioning depending on your settings. Make sure it looks centered and professional on the preview screen. Next, scroll down and click Save Settings to apply your changes. Now open your scheduling page preview to confirm that your logo is displayed correctly at the top of the booking page. If something doesn't look right, you can go back and re-upload a different version or adjust the design settings. Adding a logo helps build trust with clients and makes your scheduling page look more official and branded. Before finishing, always test your page on both mobile and desktop to ensure the logo displays properly on all devices. And that's it. You've successfully added a logo in Acuity Scheduling and improved your booking page branding. And that's how you add a logo in Acuity Scheduling. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.